Greetings everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem ordered by XOR. So in this problem we are given three numbers a, b, and c, and we have to find an integer x so that a XOR x is less than b XOR x, and that is less than c XOR x. So if there is no such x, we have to print -1.
We have given three test cases, and in which the first test case, the A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. So if we convert this into binary forms, it will go like 0, 1, and 2 will be like 1, 0, and 3 is like 1, 1. So simply we can see that if the number is already sorted, A is less than B is less than C, we can XOR it with any number. Okay, like I can XOR it with 0, and the result will remain the same, because any number XOR 0 gives the same number. So applying that logic, if the numbers are sorted, I can simply print x as 0. Okay, so here in this, for this test case, they've given the answer 4, but 0 is also a possible answer. And for 3 to 1, they have printed -1. Okay, I will discuss this later, but first let's see this 3 to 1. Okay, so in this 3 to 1, first I will do is I will convert this into a binary form. Okay, so what I can see is that if I XOR this number with 3 itself, these order becomes sorted. So if 3 XOR 3 is 0, and 3 XOR 2 is 1, and 3 XOR 1 is 2, so this has become sorted as mentioned in the problem statement. So let's take another test case, a custom test case, in which I have like number like 7, 1, 1, let's take 6, 1, 1, 0, and then we have 4, 1, 0, 0, and then I have 2, 0, 1, and 0. So what will I try to do is I will try to find if I can achieve the solution using these bits. Okay, the starting bits. I have to make this 1 0. Okay, and I have to make this one also 0, and this one as 1. Okay, so what will I do? I will XOR this number with 1 0 0. Let's take first this test result. Let's take the value of x with this 1 0 0. Okay, if I take this as my x, okay, then what will I get? I will get this. Okay, which is not sorted. Okay, as you can see that this represents 2, and 2 is greater than 0, and this represents 6, and 6 is greater than 0. So what we can do is we can now try to think this as often another test case, like I would consider this as a different test case. Okay, so if I choose this as a test case, so what are the numbers that are given to us? They are like 2, 0, and 6. Okay, now if I now by looking at the problem statement, some people might be thinking that if and only if our A, B, and C are sorted or unsorted, then only I can obtain my answer. But with the help of this, if I prove the answer for this, that I can obtain an answer for this sequence, that means I can also obtain the answer for this sequence also, because its parent sequence is this. Okay, so now I will try to find answer for this sequence. Okay, now what will I do? I will choose my x as an 6. Okay. Now if I choose my x as 6, so now my new array will become this 0 0. Okay, this one is like 1 0. Okay, and then this will become this 1 0. Okay, now it has become sorted. So that means I can obtain the solution for this also, even if it is not sorted. Okay, so what we will try to do is we will choose x as I will write the number in the binary form. Okay, we can choose x as 1 or 1 1 or 1 1 1 or so on. Okay, like the numbers are 2 raised to the power 30, like constraint are 2 raised to the power 30, so we will go like 30 ones. Okay, like 1 1 comma and then 1 1 1 1 30 times. So if the answer exists between them, so we can find an answer. If not, we will print -1. Okay, so here's the code. Okay, like I've inputted ABC, and then I check that I should be less than equal to 31. Okay, first x is 0. Okay, if the number are already sorted, that means we can obtain answer for x equal to 0. Okay, then what I've done is I've right shifted x by 1. Okay, and then XOR 1. So what this will do is this will produce numbers like this. Okay, I forgot to add 0 in this. So this will produce the number in this sequence. Like first my x was 0. Okay, then we will left shift this 0 by 1, so it becomes 0 0, and then we XOR it by 1. So if we XOR it by 1, so this number will become 0 1, and then again I left shift it by 1, so it becomes 0 1 0, and then if I XOR it by 1, so this number become 1 1. So therefore by doing this I'm producing my x. Okay, I'm producing my x. So these x are being produced, and if my a XOR x is less than b XOR x, and b XOR x is less than c XOR x, I could find my answer. Okay, if not, then I would print -1, because there is no such x that I would find answer for, so that's why I will print -1.